how to pin messages or files in Slack. So simply open your Slack and open the DM where you want to pin the message. Just like this, here you can see I have done that. Now you can scroll up to the message that you want to pin. For example, I want to pin this particular file right here. What you can do is simply long press on this file. Then we'll get the option of more actions, tap on it. And then you can get the option of pin to channel. Tap on it. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully pinned this particular file. If you want to pin the message, you can do the same exact things. Simply scroll up. Then I'm going to pin this particular message, long press on it, then tap on more actions. Then again, tap on pin to channels. So in order to view all of the pinned messages, you can simply tap on the name of the person, just like this. Then we'll get the option of pins right here. Simply tap on it. And just like that, we'll be able to view all of the pins, message or files. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.